Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to this new vocabulary video. In this video, we're going to learn vocabulary for school and study. You're ready? Let's go! School and study vocabulary. School and study vocabulary. Places in school. Classroom. Classroom. A classroom is the place where students learn and teachers teach. It's more than just four walls. It's where your brain grows. Say it with me, one more time. Classroom. Classroom. Library. A school library is a quiet place where students can read, borrow books, do research, or work in silence. It's the ideal place to develop a love of reading, or just to have some quiet time. Say it with me. Library. 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 Playground. Playground. Repeat after me. Playground. A playground is a fun place outside the school where children play, run, and laugh. It's full of joy, energy, and happy moments, the break from studying. Laboratory. A laboratory, or lab, is a special room in a middle school, high school, or university where scientific experiments are conducted. Chemistry, physics, biology, etc. We observe, measure, mix, and sometimes we make bangs. Say it with me. Laboratory. 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 Office. Office. Say it with me. Office. An office is a room where important work is done, like planning, organizing, and helping others. In a school, the office is where you find the principal, secretary, or school staff. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. Say it with me. Cafeteria. A cafeteria is the place in a school where students eat lunch, snacks, and sometimes breakfast. It's not just about food. It's where students relax, talk, and enjoy time together. Principal's office. Principal's office. The principal's office is the room where the school's principal works. It's where the school is organized, where parents are received, or where students are called in when there's a small problem. Say it with me. Principal's office. Principal's office. Principal's office. Theater. Theater. Say it with me. Theater. The word a theater brings a cultural, artistic, and expressive dimension to school life. It's a word that opens the imagination and shows that school isn't just about learning rules, but also about playing, expressing oneself, and dreaming. Computer room is a very current and universal word. Students love going there. It's often one of the favorite places at school. It evokes technology, discovery, games, the internet, and, of course, the occasional bug. Say it with me. Computer room. Computer room. Computer room. The materials. Mathematics. Mathematics is about numbers, calculations, logic. We learn to add, subtract, solve problems, do equations. Say it with me. Mathematics. 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 Sciences. Sciences. Say it with me. Sciences. We learn how nature, the human body, animals, plants, the universe, and more work. Sometimes there are experiments, like in a lab. Biology. Biology is the science of life, the study of plants, animals, humans, and everything living. It helps us understand how the body works, how animals survive, and how nature grows. Biology. Say it with me, one more time. Biology. Biology. Geography. Say it with me. Geography. Geography. Geography is the study of the Earth, its landscapes, regions, and people. Geography covers countries, oceans, mountains, rivers, cities, and climates. History. 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 History is the subject that teaches us what happened before us. Ancient civilizations, great discoveries, wars, kings, revolutions, heroes, inventions. Languages. Languages. Say it with me. Languages. Art. Art. Say it with me. Art. We draw, we paint, we tinker, we create posters. It's the place where you can let your imagination run wild. Philosophy is the subject where we learn to think, to ask questions, to discuss, to understand ideas about the world, society, life, justice, happiness, freedom. Philosophy. Repeat after me. Philosophy. Philosophy. Physics. 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 Excellent. Physics is an exciting subject that explains how the world around us works. Light, electricity, movement, sounds, forces, the universe. It helps students understand the laws of nature, and it can really spark their scientific curiosity. Chemistry. Chemistry is a fascinating subject where students discover the composition of matter, the reactions between elements, and what lies behind the invisible transformations of the world. It's a science close to everyday life, but also very impressive in the laboratory. Chemistry. Say it with me. Chemistry. Chemistry. Music. Music. Say it with me. Music. Music is a subject that touches the heart, the ear, and even the body. It allows students to listen, sing, play an instrument, discover musical styles, and even express themselves in ways other than words. It's a very popular subject at school. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. In part 2, we'll explore people at school and study tools. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.